Locals of Tin Garia area was beaten up by Birganj Police when they went to see Birganj Police, who was arrested in the crime of killing a mother and her 13-year-old daughter. Surrounding the incident, locals and children gathered around Birganj Police station. Meanwhile, police shot tear gas upon the locals and also shot bullets above. Finally, after 20 days of incident, Birganj Police arrested the accused Birganj from Roshebari on the crime of killing the mother and her 13-year-old daughter. Locals then rushed to the spot to see the face of the accused Birganj at Birganj Police station as soon as they heard the news of him arrested on Tuesday. As it is known that on the past 22nd October, Rupaswari Jamatia and her 13-year-old daughter, Jasuda Rani Jamatia from Ompi Tin Garia was missing from the house. After 9 days of missing from the house, Rupaswari Jamatia's dead body was found floating inside the shack at Dumbur Lake of Mailachora area. Likewise, on 2nd November, dead body of her daughter Jasuda Rani Jamatia was also found floating inside the shack at the same lake. After the investigation, police found out that Birganj Jamatia from Amarpur area kidnapped both mother Rupaswari Jamatia and her daughter from their house and at last killed and dumped their body at Dumbur Lake. But the accused Birganj Jamatia has been running from the house for many days, which is why police were searching for him day and night. At last, based on the confidential sources, Birganj Police finally arrested the accused from Roshebari area who killed mother and her daughter from Tin Garia area. Locals were extremely angry after they found out that the accused has been arrested. How did Birganj Jamatia kill Rupaswari Jamatia and her daughter Jasuda Rani Jamatia? Locals wanted to ask him sitting face to face, which is why locals of Tin Garia went at Birganj Police station on Tuesday. But Birganj Police did not allow them to enter in the police station, which is why they gathered around the police station and showed their grief. Meanwhile, police issued Latha Charge upon the locals. On the top of that, Birganj Police threw a tear gas on the people. With that, a housewife and some people were injured in the incident. Just take a glimpse of how police threw a tear gas on this housewife.
आया था वो जो मर्डर किया था उसका हम लोग साकल जागने के लिए इधर हम लोग मारपीट करने के लिए नहीं आए ठीक है मारपीट करने के लिए नहीं हम लोग भी जानते हैं पुलिस का काम है वो लोगों ने हाथ नहीं दे सकता सुबह हम लोग साकल जागने के लिए आया और उसका बावजूद वो लोग देखने के लिए आने के बाद फायरिंग चल रहा है ऐसा
अरे घटना वैसे Birganj Jamatia माँ बेटी को दोनों को खून कर दिया ये अपना ये दुम्बर दरिया में खून करके कंबल में बांध के फेंका दिया फिर उनके लिए इसको Birganj Jamatia को आज लाया गया इस अमरपुर पुलिस स्टेशन पे फिर इस Birganj Jamatia को सजा देने का बोलता है उसको सुरक्षित कर रहे इधर ये देखिए
आप लोग क्या करना चाहते हैं
आगे हम लोग यही चाहिए Birganj Jamatia को करीब से करीब सजा दिया जाए इसको जिंदगी मौत दिया जाए उसको फांसी दिया जाए वही मेरा इच्छा है
मेरे बहन को मेरे बेटे को मार दिया यहाँ पर है कहाँ में देखने के आया काट दिया देखो पूरा यहाँ पर भी है यहाँ पर भी हो गया तो पूरा
Likewise, to bring the situation in their hands, police also shot 2 or 3 rounds of bullets above. But the police doesn't agree about the bullets they shot. Locals question that why did the police shot the tear gas upon the people? Surrounding the incident, Birganj Police are now in a great problem. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.